How do you navigate living authentically in a society that uses religion to justify exclusion? Paano ka namumuhay ng tapat sa sarili sa isang lipunan na ginagamit ang relihiyon bilang dahilan ng pagtanggi? Paano ka namumuhay ng tapat sa sarili sa isang lipunan na ginagamit ang relihiyon bilang dahilan ng pagtanggi?
Thank you. It is undeniable that some of the people who aren't supporting the LGBTQ community are using religion in order for us to be excluded and in order for us not to feel as if we are included in the society. In my daily life, I do not really listen to these people who are excluding us. It's because in my belief, the reason for you to become authentic to yourself is for you to listen to yourself, not to what other people is going to say to you. Let's remember that not all people who are going to church are the kindest. Not all people who are praying are also the same people who has the kindest hearts, but because in the view of our Lord, the kindest person are those who believe in Him. And whoever believes in Him, these are the people who has the pure heart to accept every existence in this world. So let's not use religion to exclude people. Rather, let's use the religion in order for us to listen to the need of the people that you are encountering in your daily life. To you, ladies and gentlemen, I wish that we consider one another. Let's include one another, because if we do, it will give us a better future in the end. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you so much, Miss Billy.